Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a really quick share because I need to drop this in the mail before I'm late. I'm hoping it gets there on time. But this is my entry into Judy, my scrapbook loft. She's here on YouTube. I'll put her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. She's hosting this month's swap and she asked for bag toppers, 3 of them. And so these are my bag toppers, and then I made one for her, and she does this together with Donna Dreams ×3, who is also here on YouTube, and I will put her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. And so they take turns every month hosting, and so like this month was Judy's, next month will be Donna's, and you know, back and forth and so on. So really simple. I just folded in half a doily, got some scratch paper, layered it up, added this rosette, die cut with a circle die that I have, acetate paper, punched out, actually I didn't punch this out, I believe I got this from Tree, who is Craft On here on YouTube, and then added this Jemmy. And so they're all basically the same, layered with pieces of scrap paper, the rosette, and then just a center. So the 2 are for the host, and these are for my swap partners. So we'll send these in, and then Judy will send us 3 of them back. And so this is the packaging that I'm using for the host. And then for the swap, I've added these memory decks cards that I have included, sorry for the glare, that I have included my information. So maybe I will meet a new crafty friend. And so this is my swap. Hope you guys are having a crafty day, and until the next video, shakas!